Hello kids, welcome back to Grade 2 English. Today we are going to learn a grammar lesson. It's about nouns. Nouns. It's about nouns. Okay, so what are nouns? What are nouns? N-O-U-N-S. Nouns. So in Thai, it's Kamnam. Kamnam. And there are four main nouns. There are four main nouns. First one, we will go from the bottom. The first one is people. This can be names or the job. For example, teacher is a job of the person, and Chatu, it's the name of the teacher. So name or the job of the that person. Animal. Animals are nouns. Places. Places are nouns. This can be for example, it can be a school or a country or a city. Places are also nouns. Things. Things. What can you see in this picture? Is there a thing? Yes, there is a thing. That is the car. So the things are also nouns. So we will look one by one what are nouns. Okay, so the first one, the first category of our nouns are people. People. So who are people? It can be the person, like in this picture, the person, Alex, or we will see this person or their jobs. The first one example is policeman, 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 tamluat, right? So policeman is a noun. It is the job of this person. We don't know the name of this person, but policeman is a noun. Next one is a doctor. It's a doctor. Doctor is also a name. Is it? Is it a name? No, it's not a name. It's the job. Job of this person. We don't know the name of this person. So doctor is a noun. Next one is a teacher. Teacher. See here. The teacher is teaching. Teacher is also a noun. Next one, Chatu. So that is me. That is my name. So is there my job? In here, have I put my job? No, it's only the name. So Chatu, your name may be Tong, Pin, uh, Winner, like that. These are your nicknames. So nicknames, first name or last name, these are also nouns. Alex. Alex. This is Mr. Alex. The name Alex is also a noun. Okay. Okay. So the first one, the first category of our nouns are people. People. So who are people? It can be the person, like in this picture, the person, Alex, or we will check, we will see this person or their jobs. So now we will check what are the other category of nouns, that is places. Places. So the first place is house. It's house. See, there are many houses. The name house is also a noun, but maybe your house has a name. For example, the house of the president of United States or America is called White House. It's a name of the house. So White House also a noun. House. Um, so like that, there can be house names also. So those are also nouns. Next one is gas station. Gas station. So when you are having a vehicle, you need to fill petrol, diesel, or some kind of a fuel. So the place you are filling your petrol or diesel is calling gas station or petrol station. So gas station is a place. Places are nouns. City. This is the Bangkok city. So city is also a place and places are nouns. School. School. Wrong Rian. School. You are coming to learn in the school. So school is a noun. Thailand. Thailand. Thailand is a country. Thailand is a country. Thailand is also a noun because it is a name for a place. The place is this country. The country is Thailand. So Thailand is also a noun. Police station. Police station. Satanti Tamluad. Police station. Police station is also a place. So police station is also again a noun. Hospital, Long Piaban, Long Payaban. Something, I think I said it correct. Long Payaban, I think. So hospital is also a place, and because it is a place, hospital also a noun. So there will be names for the um hospitals. So the names of the hospitals also can be nouns. So now we will check what are the other category of nouns, that is places. Places. So next category is animals. Animals. First one is elephant. Elephant. Chang, chamai? Chang. I think Chang. Okay. In Thai, maybe it's Chang. So elephant is also animal because animals are nouns. Elephant is also a noun. Elephant is a noun. Horse. Horse is a noun. Dog. Dog also a noun. So any you can show any dog and dog can be a noun, or else there will be a name for the dog. So in this picture, this dog has a name. Its name is Fido. Fido. So Fido also a noun. Cat. Cat is also a noun. If you put a name for your cat, that name also a noun. A noun. Duck. A happy duck. So duck also a noun. Parrot. also a noun because it's a animal. What kind of a animal is parrot? It's a bird. So bird is also a noun. Tiger, tiger, tiger is also a noun. Lion, lion is also a noun. Singo, singo, singo. Lion, it's not lion, it's lion, lion. So next category is animals, animals. For things, the final one, the last one is things. Things. What do we have? What do we have? What we have in with us? Like for example, clock, narika is a thing. So things are nouns. So clock is a noun. The things in the nature, tree, a tree. Tong tong mai chấm tong mai. So tree is also a noun. Tree. It's not three. It's tree. Tree is a noun. Books. There are many comics here. Comic books. So books. The comic book or the name of the book here it is Batmite. Batmite is a noun. Also, books is also a noun. So, books is a noun. Car. Car. Do you have a car? What is your car? Is it a Lamborghini? Or is it Toyota, Nissan, what else? Mitsubishi. So, all these names Toyota, Mitsubishi, Nissan, MG, or Lamborghini, all of these names are also nouns. Car, van, motorcycle, bicycle, bus, truck, these are also nouns. So I hope you understand the nouns. Okay. So what else we have? I'm using a laptop now. Laptop. Laptop is also a noun. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? I think no. Maybe you are drinking. So, if not, maybe you are drinking water. You should drink water. If not, you can't live. So, where do you drink water? You will put it in a cup or in a glass. So, cup is a noun or a glass is a noun. Shoes. You are wearing shoes when you go out of your house. This can be sandals, shoes, toilet slippers, whatever you are wearing in your feet. Those are also nouns. Shoes. The last one, television. I don't know you are watching television now, but or are you watching television or you are watching YouTube in your computer or in your tablet or in your mobile phone? So all these things are also nouns. Television, laptop, tablet, mobile phone, smartphone. So all these are also nouns. So I hope you understood the nouns, and if you have any questions please comment below and I will send you your homework soon. So thank you for watching the video and see you with another grade 2 math, science or English video. Until then, bye bye. So things, the final one, the last one is things. Things. What do we have? What do we have? What we have in with us? Like for example.